Gas range interior cleaning and care. The oven racks and rack guides can be removed from the oven for cleaning. We recommend using soap and hot water or using a mild abrasive cleaner. Note, cleaning the racks may require a little elbow grease. When the equipment has fully cooled, you may need to remove baked-on foods from the oven window. Here, your best bet is to spray glass cleaner or a mild multi-surface cleaner on a cloth and rub on the window. If needed, use a razor blade to gently lift any food remnants. The oven interior is stain-resistant but not impervious to damage. Salt and some cooking liquids may pit and stain the surface. For best results, wipe up spills and splatters as they occur immediately after the equipment is cooled. If splatters are allowed to cook on, they may permanently stain. Never wipe a warm or hot porcelain surface with a damp sponge. It may cause chipping or crazing, tiny hair-like cracks. Use an oven cleaner to clean the sides and bottom of the oven and wipe out thoroughly with a damp cloth.